build is Brower, and I'm here with Mila, and we're going to go through her build for America's Build for Camp Sim 24. Okay, Mila, how are you today?
I'm good.
Good. I'm going to come in through your gate, hopefully very gently opening the gate, not beating it to pulp, which is sometimes my problem. All right, I'm going to come on in. Oh, wow, tiny house. Ooh, and there's a wolf looking directly at me. I'll shut the door so he won't go outside. Well, instead of doing that, I built a piece of dirt. There we go. Tell me about your little house.
So, in the very corner, I have a chest
Cool.
with some music discs for something that we'll see in the barn later. And then, I have a little place where I can make books.
Okay.
And then, I love to read, so I put a bunch of books in the corner.
Awesome.
And then I have a little nightstand right next to my bed, which you're standing on.
Oh, I'm standing on it. Oopsie. I'm standing on your pillow. All right, I'll go back out now. Sorry. My shoes are clean, I promise. It's Minecraft. Nothing gets dirty in Minecraft. Okay, I'm going to shut your gate. I'm going to fly up here. Oh, here's your poster. Wow, you made a lot of stuff. Cool. Okay, tell me more about your things as we fly around.
So right there is the farm.
Perfect.
It has really good food.
Nice.
And then if you go over there, right there's the campfire, and right there's the barn.
Fun.
And then inside the barn, I have a pig, a chicken, and I do not know where the sheep is, and then the cow's on the top.
Oh, up high?
Mm-hmm.
I see your chickens laid an egg.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try not to gather that egg, so I'm just going to jump up here.
There's a cow right
there. Hi there, Moo Moo.
And then the sheep is right there. Right there's the jukebox, so I can play music.
I see it. Okay.
Yeah, that's why I had
music.
the music.
Nice. Calm them down a little. Yeah, I get you. Okay, I'm going to try to get out of here now. I think I have to go to the floor. There we go. No, Piggy. You can't come out.
And then right there is my campfire.
Cool. I like you can sit around it.
Mm-hmm. And then right beside it is the firework dispenser and the table.
Oh, the dispenser? Mm-hmm. Lovely. Look at all the... Well, we won't show the chickens and the... and the sheep and the cows what we're eating. That's so funny.
And
that's
then
awesome.
If you go over there, that's my pool. It has some diving boards and a little lifeguard stand. Nice. And then behind the diving boards is the rule board.
Oh, good. You have lots of good rules. Keep people safe. Mm-hmm. Nice. Is there anything else that you want to show us in this world that you come with?
No.